Hello friends and welcome to Tutorials Point. In this video, we are going to learn how to include control formatting to a report in Microsoft Access 2016. Now guys, whenever you format a report, you can format it according to different themes or different fonts depending on the user design. But whenever you open a report and if you go under the design view or in the layout view, you can see a report tool which will be mentioned on the top of your tabs. Out there, if you go under the format group, under that format group you will find a control formatting group. Under that control formatting group you can find all these options like shape fill, shape effect, shape outline, and changing the style, changing the shape of a particular form. You can do all this for formatting. You can also see a conditional formatting button out there. So in our practical approach, we are going to see how to apply how to include this control formatting group in our reports in our practical approach. In this video, we are going to learn how to include control formatting in a report in Microsoft Access 2016. So in order to get that, I need to generate a report. Now, as you can see under the navigation pane, we have already created some reports. So I will pull out this particular report which says cookies sold. I'll just minimize a bit. Now I want to apply some formatting to this particular report. So in order to do that, I need to go under the view tab and I have to select the layout view, because in layout view we can make the changes or the formatting which we really want. Alright, so let's go ahead and select the layout view. Now as you can see, I have this layout view, and as you can see on the top of my screen, I have this layout tools as well, report layout tools. So let's go ahead and do some formatting for this particular field which says total sold. So I'll move to the report layout tool and I'll select format, and under the format tab you can see there is a control formatting group. Alright, so using this particular feature you can you can add some fill to this particular field, you can add some outline to this field. We'll go ahead and start with some conditional formatting. Alright, so I'll select conditional formatting. Now I'll just move it on to the right hand side so that we can see the formatting is really being applied or not. Alright, so now it says this rule, the conditional formatting rules will be only applied to this column, that is sum of quantity. As we have changed the name of this field, so that's the reason it is showing total sold, but the original name will be sum of quantity. Alright, so I'll go ahead and select a new rule for the same. Now it is showing me two options: check values in the current record or use an expression. So as of now I'll select by default the first option, and I say I want to highlight those records which are less than 4. So as you can see, there are some records where the quantity is less than 4. I want to highlight these records, and I want to put this under a consideration. Alright, so basically I'll say the field values. The next to the field value is, you can see there's a drop down. If I click on this drop down, it gives me all the options, that is between, not between, equals to, not equals to, greater than, and this is the one which we are searching for, less than. That's right, and I say I want to highlight only those values which are less than 4. Alright, so this I've done. Now I need to give some formatting to it, so I'll go to this bucket. It will fill some colors into it. Let's say I want it in the yellow color, right? Let's make it bold so that we can understand it, and I simply hit OK. Now let's see whether this formatting has been applied or not. I simply click on apply. Now as you can see, this conditional formatting has been applied to only those records which are less than 4. Okay, so this is how you can apply this rule. Okay, I'll simply hit OK. Now as you can see, all this expressions has been applied, the rule has been applied. Now I'll again go to this conditional formatting. Alright, now let's go ahead and apply a new rule again. Now I will apply a different rule, and I'll say let's go ahead and highlight the field value which is, let's say, I'll remove this particular formatting so that we can apply a new formatting to this, right? So I say cancel, delete this rule. If I want to edit a rule, I can edit this rule as well, or I can also delete a rule. So let's go ahead and edit instead of deleting this. So I'll say edit rule. Now this time I'll say in between. So I'll say in between 3 to 6, right? No, these were the right. So basically it is asking you what is the lowest value and what is the highest value. So only the records are which is between 3 to 6, those only will get highlighted and nothing else. This time I'll choose a different formatting. I'll want it in green. The text would be, let's say, in white in color, and let's make it bold, and that's it.
Okay, so just simply hit OK and I'll say apply. As you can see, those records which are between 3 to 6, those records are only getting highlighted. The rest of them are not highlighted. Now we will learn how to give formatting to by building an expression in conditional formatting. Alright, so in order to do that, again I will go under the layout view and I'll move to conditional formatting. Now this time I want to highlight a record which is equivalent to 1. So the total sold should be 1, and the moment I can see the total sold is 1, the sum of quantity, that is the sum of quantity is 1, the both this particular event or this fields will get highlighted. Alright, so in order to do that, again I need to select both these fields, right? I have done this already. Now I'll move to conditional formatting, and this time I'll say new rule. Now I will do in this drop down box I will select an expression. So I say that my sum of quantities, I will not forget to introduce the square bracket, my sum of quantity bracket close if it is equals to 1. So the expression says that sum of quantities equals to 1. So what is the formatting? I want it bold. Let's give it some colors to it. Let's say it should be in green. The text under it should be white. All right, and let's that's it. You want to underline it, if you wish to you can underline it, but I, as of now, I just want it till here and I simply hit OK. Now let's see and go ahead that when we apply this formatting, does it make the changes accordingly? I'll say it's apply. Now as you can see, only those record, let me hit OK. Now only those record has been highlighted where the quantity is 1. Alright, so this is how you can do using an expression in conditional formatting in Access 2016. Alright, this is all for this video.